Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Are you feeling stuck in the 9 to 5 grind? Does the idea of working for someone else day after day feel draining? Well, you're not alone. Many people dream of quitting their full time job to have more control over their lives, pursue their dreams, and take charge of their financial future. If that sounds like something you've been thinking about, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into top side hustles that you can start today. Yes, right now, that could eventually allow you to quit your 9 to 5 job. These side hustles require minimal investment and can be done in your free time. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Number 1, freelance writing. Let's kick things off with one of the most flexible and in demand side hustles, freelance writing. If you love writing or have a knack for turning words into something compelling, freelance writing could be your golden ticket. Whether it's blog posts, articles, copywriting, or social media content, businesses and websites are constantly in need of fresh, engaging content. Getting started is easy. You don't need to invest in anything other than your time and creativity. Start by signing up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer and create a profile highlighting your writing skills. Pitch to potential clients, build a portfolio, and before you know it, you could be making money while you write. Why it works? Low startup costs, flexible hours, opportunities for growth, and specialization. Number 2, dropshipping. Next up, we have dropshipping. If you're looking for a side hustle that combines e commerce and marketing without the headache of inventory management, dropshipping might be the perfect fit for you. This business model allows you to sell products online without actually holding any inventory. Here's how it works: you set up an online store, partner with suppliers, and when someone buys a product from your store, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. Your job is to market the product and manage customer relationships. The best part? You don't need to worry about shipping, packing, or handling products yourself. Why it works? Low upfront investment, potential for passive income, scalable once you find the right niche. Number 3, social media management. If you're someone who loves spending time on social media, why not turn that hobby into a profitable side hustle? Social media management is a booming industry, and many small businesses, entrepreneurs, and influencers need help managing their social media presence. As a social media manager, your role would involve creating content, scheduling posts, responding to messages, and engaging with followers on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You don't need to be a social media expert to get started, just a good understanding of the platform and a creative eye for content. With the right tools and a little practice, you could have businesses grow their online presence while earning a side income. Why it works? High demand for social media experts, can be done remotely, flexible hours. Number 4, online tutoring. Are you an expert in a particular subject? Do you love teaching others? If so, online tutoring could be a great side hustle to consider. With more students turning to online learning, there's a growing demand for tutors in subjects ranging from math and science to languages and test preps. Platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, or Check Tutors make it easy to connect with students in need of help. Whether you want to help a high school student ace their SATs or teach English to non native speakers, online tutoring offers the flexibility to set your own hours and work from home. Plus, you can often charge premium rates if you specialize in a niche area. Why it works? High earning potential, flexibility to work from home, opportunity to make a meaningful impact on others. Number 5, virtual assistant. Let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant. In today's digital world, entrepreneurs and small business owners need help managing their daily tasks, but they don't always have the budget to hire full time employees. This is where virtual assistants come in. As a VA, you could help clients with tasks like email management, customer service, scheduling, and even content creation. Getting started as a virtual assistant is simple. Create a profile on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and offer your services. As you gain experience, you can raise your rates and specialize in specific areas such as social media management or project management. Why it works? Wide range of tasks you can specialize in, high demand for virtual assistant services, great earning potential as you scale. Number 6, affiliate marketing. If you enjoy writing or creating content online, affiliate marketing could be a game changer. This side hustle allows you to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products. All you need is a blog, YouTube channel, or social media platform to get started. When your audience clicks on your affiliate links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission without ever handling the product yourself. Affiliate marketing is a great way to generate passive income over time, especially if you focus on creating valuable content and building an engaged audience. The key is finding a niche that aligns with your interests and partnering with reputable affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ShareASale. Why it works? Potential for passive income, scalable and flexible, can be combined with other hustles. Number 7, photography or videography. For those who with a passion for photography or videography, you can turn your creative skills into a profitable side hustle. Whether it's shooting family portraits, creating content for businesses, or producing videos for YouTube, the possibilities are endless. Start small by offering your services to friends and family and build a portfolio of your work. From there, you can market your services online or on a platform like Thumbtack, offering your services for events, corporate videos, or even real estate photography. Why it works? Creative and fulfilling, high demand for visual content can evolve into a full-time business. There you have it, folks. 7 top side hustles you can start today. Whether you're into writing, teaching, marketing, or creating, there's something for everyone. And remember, the best part about side hustles is that you can start small and scale them up as you go. The road to quitting your 9 to 5 job might take some time, but with consistent effort and the right hustle, you can make it happen. So, which side hustle are you going to try first? Let us know in the comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more great content. Thanks for watching, and here's to your entrepreneurial success.